Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome to the TV room. So let's get back to our basic program. The basic program that you have in front of you should now say 10, print, quote, your name. In my case, my program says Butterfield. Butterfield, quote. And in line 20, it says go to 10. So we can change this ever so slightly, and ever so easily. If you you can move the cursor up and make changes, but the easiest thing to do at this point is to retype line 10. Just put in 10, print, quote, in my case, Butterfield, and then put another quote, and then after the quote, put a semicolon, hit return. That's it. So all we really did, and if you can do this by yourself with the cursor going up and moving around, that's fine. But now, if you type in run, instead of the name Butterfield or whatever name you put in, just runs down the screen, it will run across the screen, across the screen, across the screen, and fill the screen and keep on filling the screen. One little semicolon. That's all you need. Anyway, we'll do more of this. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.